I don't know if that's useful to you, to me comment on the microphone while I was going through. So what I'm doing is, as I'm going through the middle, I'm filtering more slowly. This is called filtering, it's legal in the UK. In parts of America it's not. It's called lane splitting, and you're really not allowed to do that. But as I'm doing that, firstly I'm going more slowly because going more slowly is safer for me. And secondly, then I'm looking in the rear view mirrors of each driver. And because the mirror is designed for the driver to see exactly down that line, I can therefore see what the driver is doing in the mirror. And that shows me almost immediately when someone is busy with the phone. And it makes it really hard for a driver to hide it from me. It's very hard on a horse to cross such a junction, huh? Again? Morning. So I have someone who looks like they're on the phone here in this Mercedes, eyes down in his lap, and yes, he's on his phone. I'm going to go straight in there. I think I'll get a better view on the other side.
Sorry mate, I was in traffic.
I know, it's not going to make any better. You got... No, there's no please, it doesn't happen. You knew it was wrong. Carry on. Sierra 1 Victor Yankee Tango.
You caught him?
I caught him, yes. So he was saying, sorry, it was in traffic, please, please. And I'm like, no. He was very nice, very polite, which is not the case for many drivers. But yes,
report him,
I'm still going to report him, and the other taxi driver I caught. And the reason why is it's a very serious traffic offence. It comes with a heavy penalty of 6 points and a big fine. And if I don't report, I have to report everybody or report nobody, I think. So it's very... I have let off 1 or 2 people, but the evidence wasn't very good.
Let's start from here.
Okay. Yeah, the evidence wasn't very good, and I'll go down the middle this time.
Okay.
Nice lady. So he had his hands up, but he was fiddling with something like his fingers. Hey, patience, patience. There's no need for such impatience. I wonder what they were upset about. Some people don't like being filmed.
One more.
They were shouting at you?
One more. One.
They were
They shouted at me, delete that now, delete that now. I said, I'm allowed to do anything I want.
Well, we know that.
De quoi? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
Rien, il y a une meuf qui m'a engueulé parce que je filmais. Elle m'hurlait dessus.
Ah oui.
Delete that now.
I've had this before. I'm like, no.
I wanted to let you know because I didn't realize, you know, the two that we caught, he's going to report them.
Oh, you caught already too?
Oui.
I didn't say.
Yeah.
Oh, great. You're gonna
So
report.
one of them was a taxi driver here, and one was that expensive looking Mercedes.
Il a dit les deux, la personne qui l'a eu, il va envoyer...
On fera le bilan à la fin. D'accord. À la fin.
D'accord.
In 1 hour, I stopped 5 and
No delete. Public.
Comme la méchante. Il faut dire quelque chose? Elle est pas
Non,
contente.
c'est parce qu'elle m'a...
Elle en refait.
So, there's a surprising number of people who think you're not entitled to film them.
Tu sais qu'il a eu un mec, il a dit, apparently he was saying, please, don't report me. Il a dit, no, sorry.
Ah oui, là.
Je sais pas ce que j'ai moi.
Mais c'était con ça.
Ben là,
You will have it. Il l'aura là, hein.
I'll have it here.
Commencer à parler.
Oui, c'est pas grave, il l'aura là.
It's running, right? There's a red light flashing?
Yeah.
Okay. Here in the UK, you aren't required to use cycle lanes. And this particular cycle lane is very good. But of course, the reason I'm out of it is that along here I'm catching phone drivers. Oh, so you acknowledge it's wrong, huh? She very quickly put the phone away. KW14FVE. This one's looking down. Nice tunes, man. I'm good, thanks. How are you doing?
I'm fucking excellent, mate. So,
Pity about you having a phone call though.
I'm in the vehicle, I'm stationary, I'm doing a lot.
I know, but you're talking to someone on the phone. I saw you talking away.
Oh, that's the last one. I'm going to join in the conversation.
Not particularly, but I do want you to put your phone away.
You got me.
I do.
I'd like you to mind your business.
Okay, well, you see what's on my head? What is that?
You tell me.
So it's a GoPro camera, and I'll be reporting it to the police. So in about within the next 2 weeks, you'll find out whether, by getting a letter from the police, whether or not they're going to prosecute you.
Oh, right. I mean, do you have anything else better to do, you know?
This is probably quite a good thing to do.
Oh, is it? Oh, right. Oh, lovely.
Yeah, please don't drive on the phone. You can say you were stationary, but you've been driving all the way along holding your phone.
Well, I'll bet to do.
You can argue that the engine's running anyway, so even if you were stationary, it would still be illegal.
Oh, is it? Oh, right.
When you get home, you can check the highway code. It'll show you.
Oh, lovely, lovely. And what are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
That's right. What is that you said
I'm
earlier?
asking you what you're doing. You're in my...
You can ask as much as you like,
Okay, so...
but it's none of your business.
Oh, but it's all of your business, not my business, is it? Right, jog on, mate.
All right.
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So I'm just being a little careful about not going in front of that guy until he's trapped by other traffic. When he's trapped by other traffic, then we carry on past. Simply because the occasional driver will actually go and will drive at you.
Ok, moi je voulais savoir en fait comment il sait si les gens ils ont reçu une amende à la fin.
Et là, on est bien, non? Regardez. C'est bien, ouais.
So he was using his phone. I saw it held up. Yeah. Right. And I'm particularly disappointed that it's a cabbie. You can ask him. So yeah, he was using his phone. I could see the screen was lit up and I saw him close it and put it away.
But
It's
can you
disappointing.
still report it?
If it's on camera, I feel disappointed though, because they're formerly known as London's finest, you know. They're supposed to be the best of London, and most are, but there's a few that are not so great.
We're gonna ask the car.
You can ask him.
They move.
This one's also looking.
On y va?
72432 Lima Bravo 22 Yankee Sierra Romeo 40407. That's green badge 72432. They're just interviewing the cabbie I just caught. It's interesting, right? I mean, it's his own opinion.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. That's very okay.
What?
Il a dit ça, je sais pas ce
À la fin, là, tu sais quand il t'a fait comme ça.
Ah oui.
What did he say?
Il a dit, it's your time, it's not my time. I wouldn't do it, but if he wants to do it,
Does he know I caught him?
he doesn't know.
That's it. The cabbie in front was looking at us like he knew what was going on.
Okay.
The one in front of him. GGA, LS70 GGA. He was looking at us. There's something else that often tells me if someone's on the phone. When you see a driver leaving a gap, we call it the WhatsApp gap.
You go by bike? Or you
I'm just walking.
Yeah,
If you want to talk to people, this is the most likely way of for you.
okay.
Unless you want to film something different. I'm